2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, rear view camera, front bucket seats, premium cloth low back bucket seats, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. Come take a test drive today.